This is Michigan Constitutional Crusader out here at the post office in River Rouge. Out here with freaking media. Yeah, we have a secret mole in the system.
Secret mole in the system. Oh wow, look inside that van.
Crash into something, did they?
Or somebody crashed into him.
Oh, damn. Tore it up.
Yup. Tore it up good.
Yeah, that's a hard hit.
Yeah.
Huh. I'm shocked he doesn't have a co-pilot.
Right?
He usually always have a co-pilot. They all ran as soon as my camera went up to the window. Wow. That's funny.
Please end all cell phone calls before coming to the window. Okay? I'm not on call.
All right. Poster 7 from August of 2007. I'm gonna buy a stamp.
There's a bell right there.
Yeah,
I'll ring bell by the gray door for service right there beside
yeah.
you.
What we got going on?
What's up, man?
What's
going
happening?
on?
What up, Joe?
I just want to buy a stamp.
What's with the cameras? That man can't record in a government building.
Oh, you know
Absolutely,
better than
we
that.
can.
You know better than that. Your own rules and policies say right here that photographs, news, advertising, commercial.
Oh, y'all just looking for something to do. Have fun.
Yeah, you too, man. He wants to buy.
I just want to buy a
though.
stamp, man.
You gonna serve? All right, cool.
Oh, they just some of the people who be looking for stuff.
Some of those people that's looking for stuff to do.
So I guess they're going to deny service.
I'm not looking for stuff to do. I find stuff to do.
Right. I'm looking to buy a stamp.
Right, looking to buy a stamp. Got a letter to mail.
Excuse me.
Did you fart?
Just want to buy a stamp?
Okay. $0.58. I don't want to be on nobody's camera, that's all. But, right.
Can I have a receipt, please? Thank you. Have a great day.
All right, you go.
You never heard nobody burp before? That's funny.
That was hilarious. Oh man.
Uh-oh.
What?
Oh, I was going to say windows, but they got the blinds closed.
Oh. That was hilarious.
That was funny. You were acting like I shot somebody or something.
Right. Oh my God. We go around the other side?
Yep. That's a neck. I'm telling you, one of these days, I'm going to belch right in the cop's face.
I don't know if I would do that.
There's nothing illegal about it.
They might try to say it's an assault.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but they might try to say it is.
I ain't scared. Ain't nothing going on over here. Are they back?
Yep. That one's running for the back. The other one's stuck with a customer. Trying to hide behind the customer. Jeez, man.
I get ratings on my burps now.
Oh, there's a popo.
My subscribers started rating my belches.
Did you?
Yeah, they did.
Huh. This is an alleyway, so we can walk through here.
Yeah, I know.
They must handle a lot of mail here. Look at those big loading docks. Got 3 of them.
Yeah.
Most of them only have 1.
Go. Let's get out of here.
Yep.